good to hear soul searching. Pero kung sa Tagalog, tinatawag natin itong naglayas. Naglayas sa kanila.
Ganun.
And if we're going to look at the reality of it, people who go into soul searching journey are actually people who are broken-hearted. People who are lost. People who are searching for answer. At one time, I found myself in a soul-searching journey. Doon ako minsan, isang madaling araw, I found myself in a bus going to Sagada.
Wow.
So, naghahanap ako ng kasagutan. It was a time where I was asking myself, and even God, am I really for priesthood? Why are the things not going well with me? If God is truly calling me into this kind of occasion, why things are not happening according to my want, according to my desire? Ramdam na ramdam ko yung sa pelikula, yung Where Do Broken Hearts Go? Habang papunta ng Sagada. It is a moment of questioning, it's a moment of searching for answer that is hard to find. May mga tanong na walang sagot, may mga paghahanap na mahirap hanapin, and we end up frustrated, we end up broken-hearted, lost, and searching. If we imagine the two disciples in our gospel today, perhaps they are two in a soul-searching journey. They are on the road to Emmaus, escaping Jerusalem. And scholars up to date are still uncertain, where is this Emmaus? Some scholars say it is in the northwest of Jerusalem. Others say it is in the southwest of Jerusalem. But one thing is common, it is in the west. That gives us the impression that these two disciples are journeying on the wrong way. West means where the sun is setting. It means defeat, an end, death. They are in the wrong way. Because these two disciples were in that kind of state. They were hoping that the teacher that they have been following would be the Messiah who will save them from everything, who will save the Israelites. But now, their hopes were shattered because the Messiah that they were hoping for was crucified, died, and buried. The very hope that they were holding on to has long been gone.